I'm honestly in shock. I asked AI what it thought of my free how-to tutorials and asked for a quick way to highlight how much bag making content I already have out there. Oh my goodness, it delivered a full-on video presentation. What happened? Here's the masterpiece. The links to the tutorials are below.
Hey everyone and welcome. So we've gathered this amazing collection of bag making tutorials from a real expert. And today we're turning it into your own personal masterclass. If you've ever dreamed of creating those stunning, professional looking bags, well, this is your step-by-step roadmap to get it done. And who's our guide on this awesome journey? It's the one and only Diane from Spencer Ogg Sewing Patterns. And you can just hear it in her own words. Her tutorials are absolutely packed with those aha moments that, really make everything click. She's the expert who's going to help us nail this. So here's how we're going to break it all down. We're going to walk through 4 key stages. First, we'll build a solid foundation. Then we'll get into the core construction. After that, it's all about zippers, hardware, and straps. And finally, we'll wrap it all up with those incredible professional finishes. All right, let's dive right into section 1, your bag making foundation. And I can't stress this enough. Prep work is everything. Getting these first few steps right is what really separates a kind of okay bag from a truly great one. Let's build this from a solid start. Diane breaks this whole foundation down into 3 crucial pillars. First up, the pattern. There's a whole tutorial on just printing and resizing PDF patterns correctly, which, honestly, is a total game changer. Second, the fabric, so you can pick materials that give your bag the exact look and durability you're going for. And third, the structure. This is all about interfacing. Think of interfacing as the skeleton for your bag. It stops the main fabric from stretching out and gives it that crisp, sturdy body. Getting these 3 right is absolutely non-negotiable. Okay, once that foundation is rock solid, we're ready for section 2, mastering core construction. This is where the real magic happens, It's where we take all those beautifully prepped pieces of fabric and actually start turning them into a 3-dimensional bag. It is time to start sewing. Now, this is super interesting because it breaks down 2 key techniques that might seem similar but are totally different. On one hand, you've got box corners. This is the secret trick for creating depth and giving your bag a flat bottom so it can actually stand up by itself. Then, on the other hand, you've got sharp corners, which is all about getting those super crisp, clean edges on the outside of your bag. 2 different skills for 2 very different but equally professional results. Of course, bag making isn't all about sharp angles and straight lines, right? So many gorgeous designs depend on those smooth, flowing curves. And that's why there's a dedicated tutorial just for conquering curves. It's a beginner's guide made specifically to help you sew them perfectly without any of those frustrating little puckers. Okay, let's just have an honest moment here. When you think about putting in zippers and all that metal hardware, what word pops into your head first? Is it intimidating or is it inspiring? For so many of us, this is the part that feels a little bit scary. But I promise you, it absolutely doesn't have to be. Which brings us perfectly to our 3rd section, zippers, hardware, and straps. This is where your project goes from being a fabric pouch to a fully functional bag. It's all these details that add the function and give your bag that polished, high-end look. So let's just tackle that zipper fear head-on, shall we? Diane's tutorials break it all down into simple, easy-to-learn skills. You'll learn how to get those zips in perfectly straight, you'll finally understand the difference between zip tails and zip tabs and when to use them, and you'll even learn the right way to snip zipper tape. See, suddenly it's not so scary anymore, is it? And wow, just look at how far you can take your skills. It is so much more than just zippers. You can learn to install all this amazing professional hardware, sturdy rivets, those super easy plastic cam snaps, elegant twist locks you see on expensive purses, magnetic clasps, and even side release buckles. Every single one of these adds a whole new level of style and security to what you make. And hey, what's a bag without a great strap? Whether you need a cool adjustable crossbody strap, a simple one made from webbing, that sturdy woven stuff you see on messenger bags, or just a simple little wrist strap, there is a tutorial for it. There's even a genius little guide on how to add a strap to a bag you've already finished. That one is a total game changer. All right, we are on the home stretch now with section 4, adding professional finishes. This is where we learn all the secrets that take a project from looking homemade to looking truly handmade. It's all about those little details that make a massive difference. First up in our little finishing toolkit is a Pro Tools Spotlight, and we're looking at the Hump jumper.
Okay, sounds a bit funny, but this is a genius little gadget that helps your sewing machine's foot glide right over thick seams, like where a strap joins the bag. No more skipped stitches, no more broken needles, just a clean, perfect seam.
And our second pro tool is the sewing stiletto. This is your secret weapon for all that precision work. It's basically like a tiny, pointy extension of your finger, so you can guide fabric right up close to the needle with total control, keeping your fingers safe and your stitches exactly where they need to be. It is absolutely essential for detailed work.
So beyond the tools, there are these amazing techniques that add that final layer of polish. You can learn to make your own custom piping. That's that cord-filled trim that gives bags those really defined edges, or how to neatly bind the corners on the inside so it looks clean. You can also master stitching on handles so they are super secure, and even tackle tricky materials like clear vinyl. These are the skills that really show off your craftsmanship.
So there you have it, a complete roadmap, from that critical prep work all the way to those professional finishing touches, all thanks to Diane's incredible library of tutorials. You have the knowledge, you have all the steps laid out for you. Really, the only question left is, what are you going to create first?